Hey, welcome to Cash and Coins. And today we're going to talk about different terms that you may not be familiar with on gold and silver. So I hope this helps out. It's going to just give you a lot of information. So have you ever wondered what the difference is between a carat and fineness or purity? Well, this video is going to guide you through this maze of carats, fineness, and purity. Also, the different weights of precious metals, such as gold and silver. Things like troy ounces, regular ounces, and grams. So how is gold purity expressed? Millesimal fineness or a carat? And the millesimal fineness is usually just called fineness. So how is gold purity measured in carats? If you have a ring that is 14 carats gold, the gold purity is measured on a scale of 0 to 24. So you take your 14 from 14 carats divided by your 24, which is pure gold, and that'll give you 0.583. Therefore, your 14 karat gold ring is 58.3% pure gold. Now here's a little chart to kind of show you. As you see there, the 14 karat gold, it's 14/24 fraction of gold, and that's 58.30%. If you go all the way down to 24 karat gold, you see it's 24/24. It should be 1, but since gold cannot be totally purified, the minimum is 99.9%. Millesimal fineness or fineness and percentage purity. So 990 equals 99%. 3 nines fineness equals 99.9% purity. And 4 nines, 999.9 equals 99.99% pure gold. So gold purity of 4 nines or 999.9 is common for gold coins and bars today. Popular bullion coins like the American gold buffalo contain 99.9% pure gold. Now, back in 1957, the Perth Mint did produce the purest gold at 6 nines, 999.999. Let's break this down to ounces. So 1 ounce equals 28.35 grams. Now that's a regular ounce, but precious metals are measured in troy ounces. So 1 troy ounce equals 1.097, which is 31.1 grams. As you see here, the gold buffalo is 24 karat. It's 4 nines fine. That's its fineness, and its purity is 99.99%. It weighs 1 troy ounce, which is 31.1 grams. But if we were to look at the American Gold Eagle, it's 22 carats. It's a 916 or 916 fine, and that's 91.67%. It does contain 1 full ounce of gold, right? And that's why you see it weighs 1.0909 troy ounces. And it weighs 33.93 grams. So it weighs a little bit more because it does have some silver and copper. So how do you know if you're not certain if the gold is real or how much gold is in it? There's several ways that you can test it. You can take it to an assay office and they will test precious metal composition. They'll ensure that it meets legal requirements. They usually don't do allow for any negative tolerances. That's to say, if an item of 18 karat gold, which should be 750 parts per thousand of fine gold, is only 749, it will not be hallmarked by the assayer. So how do they do this? Most commonly, they use the Ray Fluorescence and XRF. And this is an assaying method in widespread use since 2005. But these machines cost about $22,000. In this method, what happens is the X-rays penetrate the material, and the metal is then analyzed, providing a reading as to the percentage of each element in the material that is being tested. This process takes from about 3 seconds to about 3 minutes, depending on the machine that you're using. But there are other ways to check gold. You can check the specific gravity. You'll need a scale, water, a cup, and a string. I'll put on a video here from SD Bullion, and they'll show you how to do it. It's pretty easy. You can do a magnet test. Gold and silver definitely don't stick to a magnet. When silver slides down a magnet, it does slow down, though. You can use scales to weigh your gold and silver in troy ounces or grams. You can also use the Sigma Metalytics Verifier, and this uses electromagnetic waves that penetrate into a coin or a bar. You can also do the gold and silver acid test with a stone kit. So on this method, you scratch the metal on a stone and add liquid acid. And depending on the color change, this will determine the carat of the metal, whether it's 14 karat, 18 karat, 24 karat gold. On silver, there is fineness is defined a little bit differently. The most fineness you can get on silver is 5 nines. That'll be 999.99. And the purest silver ever produced, this was achieved by the Royal Silver Company in Bolivia. Most are 3 nines or 4 nines. The Royal Canadian Mint for their silver maple leaf does the 4 nines, and most other companies do the 3 nines. But there are, it goes all the way down to, 400. And they were used in half dollars, U.S. half dollars from 1965 to 1970. So you can do your fineness of silver and your fineness of gold. So these are the different things about gold. As you know, the fineness now, how a carat is determined, a carat weight of gold, and different ways to check it. Well, if any of this information here helped you, please hit the like, share, and subscribe to Cash and Coins. I really do appreciate it. And like I said, I hope this information helped you. And if you have any comments for me or any questions, please leave them down below, and I'll try to help you out with them, either make a video about them or answer you right then. And thanks for watching Cash and Coins.
Thanks for watching Cash and Coins. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a wonderful day. Bye.